We will tell you the 7 money habits of the millionaires you should adopt too. We have also added a bonus lesson at the end, so watch this video till there. Now let's start. Habit number 1. Establishing well-defined objectives and developing a strategic plan. Individuals who have achieved significant financial success recognize the importance of establishing well-defined objectives. Without a clear target, it can be challenging to navigate through the myriad of options available. By clearly outlining their objectives and developing a strategic plan to reach them, individuals maintain focus and drive. To establish precise objectives, successful individuals often adhere to the SMART framework. They make certain that their objectives are clearly defined, quantifiable, achievable, pertinent, and time-sensitive. This approach allows individuals to deconstruct their larger objectives into manageable, actionable steps, thereby enhancing their attainability. Developing a strategic plan entails identifying the necessary steps and key milestones that will facilitate the achievement of your objectives. Individuals who achieve financial success establish timelines and consistently assess their advancement to ensure they remain focused on their goals. They recognize that lacking a strategy means that achieving success is just a dream. Habit number 2. Focusing on education and self-improvement. Individuals who achieve financial success through their own efforts consistently prioritize education and personal growth. They recognize that having the right information is crucial and that maintaining a competitive edge is vital in the current dynamic environment. They dedicate significant time and effort to enhancing their understanding and developing new competencies. They engage in reading literature, participate in seminars and conferences, and associate with individuals who motivate and push them to grow. Individuals often look for experienced mentors to provide guidance on their path to achieving success. By consistently investing in their own growth and education, they position themselves to remain relevant and flexible in an ever-evolving business environment. Furthermore, individuals who have achieved financial success recognize the significance of personal growth. They focus on enhancing their mindset, emotional intelligence, and leadership capabilities. Success encompasses more than merely building wealth. It also involves personal development and achieving a sense of fulfillment. Now, if you want to know more habits of millionaires you should adopt, then subscribe to our channel and also press the like button. Habit number 3. Embracing informed risks. Individuals who have achieved significant wealth through their own efforts often embrace calculated risks. However, they approach risks with caution and prudence. They conduct a thorough assessment of the possible benefits and risks prior to reaching a conclusion. They recognize that risk is a fundamental component of achieving success, and that a conservative approach frequently results in mediocrity. Engaging in calculated risks requires a comprehensive analysis, collecting pertinent data, and evaluating the possible results. Individuals who achieve significant financial success often establish contingency strategies to mitigate unforeseen challenges. They recognize that setbacks are not final but rather valuable chances for learning and development. By moving beyond their comfort zones and taking well-considered risks, self-made millionaires position themselves to explore new possibilities and opportunities that can lead to financial achievement. Habit number 4. Diligence and persistence. Individuals who have achieved financial independence understand that success requires dedication and hard work, with no easy paths to take. They are prepared to invest the necessary effort and make the required sacrifices to reach their objectives. They recognize that achieving success is not an instantaneous process. Rather, it demands sustained effort and dedication to attain their goals. They demonstrate a robust commitment to their goals and are prepared to put in the additional effort necessary to realize their aspirations. They embrace failure and setbacks, perceiving them as valuable opportunities for growth on their path to success. They remain steadfast in overcoming challenges and setbacks, understanding that resilience is essential for achieving lasting success. Individuals who achieve financial success independently prioritize their time and energy, concentrating on activities that yield the greatest results. They maintain a disciplined and structured approach to their work, consistently making daily progress toward their objectives. Habit number 5. Cultivating a robust network. Individuals who have achieved significant financial success recognize the importance of cultivating a robust network. They cultivate a network of individuals who align with their objectives and ambitions. They cultivate relationships with key individuals in their sector and utilize those connections to unlock opportunities and foster growth. They participate in networking events, engage in mastermind groups, and proactively pursue mentors and advisors. They recognize that their connections play a crucial role in their overall value, and that the individuals they associate with can greatly influence their achievements. Establishing a robust network requires cultivating relationships, offering value to others, and demonstrating a sincere interest in their achievements. Individuals who have achieved financial success recognize the importance of working together and fostering partnerships in our increasingly connected environment. Habit number 6. Taking initiative and being proactive. Individuals who achieve millionaire status through their own efforts are often characterized by their proactive nature and willingness to take initiative. They proactively seek out opportunities rather than waiting for them to present themselves. They consistently seek opportunities to enhance value, address challenges, and create a meaningful impact. They demonstrate accountability for their decisions and confidently embrace leadership roles. They demonstrate a strong sense of initiative and accountability for achieving their goals. They are proactive and take charge of their own circumstances, ensuring that they are the ones driving progress and achieving their goals. Through proactive measures and initiative, self-made millionaires distinguish themselves and forge their unique paths to success. Habit number 7. Strategically overseeing your financial resources. Individuals who have achieved financial success recognize the significance of effectively managing their finances. They possess a solid grasp of their financial inflows and outflows, establishing a budget to guarantee they are managing their resources effectively. They focus on building savings and making strategic investments, maintaining a long-term outlook for wealth accumulation. They recognize that money serves as a resource and should be managed prudently to generate additional opportunities and enhance financial stability. Individuals who have achieved significant financial success often turn to experts for guidance in managing their wealth. They collaborate with professionals who provide guidance to help them make informed decisions and enhance their financial strategies. Through prudent financial management, self-made millionaires effectively build wealth and establish a strong foundation for their future. Habit number 8. Contributing to others and cultivating appreciation. Individuals who have achieved significant financial success recognize the value of contributing to the community. They are committed to leveraging their achievements and financial resources to create a meaningful difference in the world. They engage in philanthropic endeavors, contributing both their time and financial resources to support causes that align with their values. Additionally, individuals who have achieved financial success often engage in the practice of gratitude. Recognizing and appreciating what one possesses can lead to the attraction of greater abundance in life. Now, Watch the video appearing on the left side to know the signs to spot a secret millionaire. You can use these signs to know if your neighbor is rich or not. Also, subscribe to our channel to know more amazing financial tips and secrets to become rich.